This is our drafted pattern. This is how the 2x4 drafted pattern looks like. So we'll just have to jump right ahead into ventilating. So for the base, we are going to still be using our horizontal in between pattern for the base. And we are still using the same spacing pattern, just leaving one hole for spacing. I'm just picking 3 strands of hair for the base. This is exactly how I ventilated the double knots in the previous video I uploaded. So for the base remained exactly the same. The only difference is going to be in the body of the closure when ventilating diagonally. So now we are done with the base. We are about to ventilate the body. Please remember that the pattern we are using here for the knotting is double split knotting. In the other video we used double knotting, so here we are using double split knotting. So I'm just showing you how we are going to be ventilating the body diagonal. So you can see I've already started ventilating already. So if you watch closely, for the body I'm going to be leaving one hole when ventilating. In the previous video we were not leaving any hole, rather we are just leaving one line for spacing. So here, if you want to achieve a not so full density, it can be still be full but not so full, then you have to be leaving one hole when ventilating. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like when ventilating a particular line in the body, if you ventilate on a hole, you leave the next hole and ventilate on the next hole, and you leave the next hole. Then when you are done with that particular line, you leave another one line spacing before ventilating on the next line, also leaving one hole and ventilate on the next hole. So remember in the last video I uploaded, when we were trying to achieve a full density, we were not jumping any hole. So we were ventilating on all the hole in any particular line we were ventilating, then leaving the next line as spacing. So here in this video we are doing the opposite. We are just leaving one hole and also leaving one line for spacing. So here I'm picking 3 strands of hair. In the other video we were picking just 2 strands of hair when we are leaving no hole. But here, since we are leaving a hole as spacing and also leaving a line as spacing, and you don't want it to be too scanty but also you don't want it to be too full, we are going to be picking just 3 strands of hair. So I'm picking 3 strands of hair for the body and not 2 strands of hair. So I'm showing you the direction of which I'm following. So please, this direction matters a lot in ventilation, because with this direction, that's how you're going to ventilate both your 2x4, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, or any other sizes of closure. So what I'm doing here is that as I'm bringing it up, as I'm ventilating from the base, I'm leaving just one hole and also one line spacing. This is just applicable in every pattern of ventilation. So once you're about to start ventilating the body, you're going to start from the base and be ventilating upwards. You understand? So as I'm ventilating from the base, I'm just leaving one hole. Then after ventilating on the particular line I want to ventilate, the next line I want to ventilate, I have to jump one line spacing before ventilating on the next line. At some point I noticed that the camera wasn't really showing what I was doing, so I'm so sorry. So guys, we are almost at the end of the closure of this side. This is like the closing part of this closure. So I'm just going to go off camera and ventilate the other side. So guys, if you are still watching up to this very moment and find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe and also share. Thank you. So guys, I've already went off camera and did the remaining other parts of the closure. So this is the final look. This is how beautiful it's looking.